In this video, I show you 3 techniques how to make bow napkin fold with ring. My name is Gala. Let's get started. I fold top and bottom of napkin towards the center twice. Then I fold sides towards each other. Turn around and create pleats. I slide my napkin inside my napkin ring. This style called bow tie napkin fold. Next technique is classic and elegant. First, I fold my napkin into triangle shape. Then fold the bottom of napkin towards the top. And then fold the same way one time more. Fold left and right corners across. By pressing on the middle, create the bow shape. Make sure you check more napkin folding technique on my YouTube channel. I'm going to place my napkin bow into ring. I'm going to show you second way how we can create bow with this technique. I attach napkin ring before I create bow. Then I pull through ring left side and right side of napkin. No matter which way you create this bow is beautiful. With this technique, bow can stand on the plate. Or you can place flat and it still will be beautiful. I folded napkin into triangle, then create pleats in the middle. Then I fold right side towards the center. This loop allowed napkin to stand on the plate. Then I fold the same way left side of napkin. Attach napkin ring and adjust by pulling corners. Visit my website. You can find much more napkin folding techniques there than on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.